What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I'm going to share how I restore dress shoes. I did a video a couple weeks ago. It was a trip to the thrift and I picked up a pair of brown leather dress shoes that were kind of rough, kind of beat up, and I said I can easily restore that with some shoe cream. And in the comments I got a bunch of different comments asking which type of shoe cream do I use. So I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys which shoe cream I actually do use. And this is the Kiwi Shine and Nourish cream, and it's in a brown colorway, and usually I use it for dark brown shoes. So I'll just show you guys how I restored these dark brown leather shoes that I did pick up a couple days ago, and these are only $5.49 and an additional 25% off. So I spent about $4 for these shoes after tax. So this should be a really simple and easy video for you guys to just learn how to restore dress shoes really quickly and with only one product. It doesn't take a ton of work. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, as you guys can see, these shoes are in pretty good condition. The scuffs and the scratches aren't as bad as those Echo shoes that I did pick up before. These were in much better condition, but because there are some scratches and scuffs, that can definitely negatively affect the price on these. And Hugo Boss shoes traditionally don't resell for a ton of profit. So to get these in the best condition is just a better way for you to secure more profit when it comes to flipping these shoes. So what I'm going to use is the Kiwi shoe cream. And when I first started using this shoe cream, I actually tore off the sponge because I was using too much force. But that's definitely not what you want to do. You just want to use smooth strokes and to cover up any of the lighter scratches and scuffs. That way the shoe can just look like it's just one color. And by using smooth strokes, you're not gonna basically leak out too much of the shoe polish, because if you leak out too much shoe polish, you can start to see some really dark lines and it will just start to look like a bad repair job. So you definitely don't want to do that. You just want to use smooth strokes and cover up any marks that you see on the shoe. As you guys can see, there were some small, just some light discoloration on the uppers here, so I'm just lightly covering that up as well. But for the most part, these shoes were in really good condition, and with less than a minute worth of work, you guys can see that these shoes look much better. But of course, you always just want to make sure you're doing some slight touch-ups on the back as well. And when it comes to trying to flip shoes, you also want to make sure that there's not too much heel drag. These shoes did have some minor heel drag, but nothing too serious to affect the overall purchase price. So now I'm going to actually just repeat that same process on the other shoe. And of course, I'm speeding this video up just a little bit for you guys. But like I said in the first part, definitely don't want to apply too much pressure to this, and you want to just focus on doing some smooth strokes. That way you can cover up the stains. Alright, y'all, we are all done, and as you guys can see, these shoes are in much better condition now. They just look much more appealing to buyers, and to be honest, Hugo Boss dress shoes don't sell for a ton of profit. I picked these up for about $4, and these would usually sell, before I used any shoe cream, these would probably sell anywhere between about $25 to $30 if I was lucky. But since I did just throw that shoe cream on there really quickly, and the color is back and there's no more scuffs or any scratches that can be really visible on these, now these can easily fetch anywhere between about $45 to about $50. Sometimes, especially with a size like an 11.5, you might have to wait a while to actually convert a sale with this, because 11.5 is definitely not a popular size by any means. But like I said, I was able to grab these up for a really good price, and these should definitely sell for at least $45 to $50. So if you guys come across any dress shoes that are in similar condition, definitely doesn't have a ton of scratches or any really deep scrapes on these can easily be restored with this shoe cream. And of course, I'll link this in the description for you guys. I have an Amazon affiliate link for this, so you guys can either come across this on Amazon, or you can just try to go to Walmart or a Target and try to pick this one up as well. But like I said, I use this for so many different shoes, and it always comes in handy when I come across brown leather dress shoes. And for those of you that follow the channel, you guys know that I'm starting to just sell way more shoes, try to focus more on shoes as opposed to just reselling men's clothing. So having stuff like shoe cream and other shoe cleaners are going to be really essential for me. So drop a comment if you guys want to see any more shoe related videos, shoe cleaning products, stuff like that. I'll just kind of go through all the stuff and show you guys what I use on a daily basis to maintain this business. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
For the winner, cause you felt like you was losing, only for the winner. Mood just to keep from cooling, like only for the winner, only for the winner, only for the winner. Boy, my heart is cold, and I'm too cool to sweat it. I should've never offered it. I'm tight and now I'm off this shit. You should wanna